Hello and welcome to Lower Providence Community Library's tutorial on logging in to our website with your library card. So today we're going to start. I am working from an iPad, but you can log on from your smartphone or from your desktop computer. But today I'm going to use a tablet. So we're here at lowerprovidencelibrary.org, and what you're going to do is go to the My Account button, and it is going to open a new tab, and that goes to the county's MCLink landing page. And you'll see there is a username or barcode and then a password. You're going to take your library card, and we are going to log in with the barcode number. Those are the numbers here along the bottom of your card. You're going to use your barcode number, not mine. Mine won't work for you. What you're going to do also is a password. So when you registered for a library card, a member of the circulation staff would have asked you to set up your password. It's okay if you don't remember it or you don't remember setting one up. You can just come into the library and we'll be happy to set that up for you. So I'm going to log in and I'll just type these numbers, so bear with me. And then I'm going to set up my password. So it can be up to, I think, 10 characters, or it can be something very easy. Mine is very easy. So here we go, and I'm going to hit go. I'm not going to save the password right now, but here we are at our account page in our library card account. So lots of people use this as they would like to put a hold on a book, or they'd like to check the due date of their items, and everything you can see here. So under the My Account tab, it'll be your name and then your record. So you'll have contact information, your logon information. Your items out are going to be the things you have checked out. Right now, I don't have anything checked out on this card, so nothing shows up. There is this button. If you are one of our patrons who uses Libby, your e-content will show up here as well. So that's why there's that refresh e-content. Requests. I don't currently have any holds out, but if you did have a hold on a book, it would show up under this tab and it would tell you what number you are in the queue. Or if your item is ready. Fines and fees, if you had any credits, any deposits, any books that you're paying for, that would show up in this tab. And then saved searches. This would be associated with your library account, and that's something you can talk to a member of circulation about. So then the My Lists is where you can have your saved titles. And yeah, so we can search. Why don't we put something on hold together? So what we're going to do is right now, a really popular book is Lessons in Chemistry. And so it'll show right up, and there it is. And so on this page, I can see where it is in our system. I can have a full display of the publisher date, the description, all that. I can place a request, or I can do a one-click request. Today we're going to do the place request. And I'm going to click on it, and here's the book I want. There's my barcode number. The pickup library is where I want it to be delivered. And then if you're always coming to our library, you can check that box and it will always have it come to our library. If you bounce back and forth between a few libraries, I would leave that unchecked. So the activation date is, when would you like the hold to go active? Are you not going to be ready for this book for a couple months and you just want to put it on your list, or do you want the book as soon as possible? The activation date generally will be the day that you place the hold. So I'm going to submit request. So What's really handy is the county is going to tell you what line, where you are in line for the book. So I said this book was very popular. I am the 295th person in line, and it just wants to make sure, do I really want to wait that long? And I say yes. So I'm going to hit continue, and then my request has been placed. So I can either go back and search for another book, or I can go to my holds requests. So let's do that, because now here's our account on this side, my account, my name, my record, items out, and then you see now requests has a number 1. And here you see, there I have lessons in chemistry on hold, and it will tell me, I like to check this tab from time to time and see where I'm at in the hold position, because right now it says I'm 296 out of 296. And there we have it. That is how we log in to our library account using our library card. Now, if you'd like to log out, you can just hit log out. And you'll see, this page should look familiar if you've ever used our card catalog computers in the library. This is just the basic landing page. And there you have it.